Hello, it's an amazing Monday morning, and I'm just leaving the site. I went for a site inspection. I'm just leaving. This is that airport road. This is Enugu Airport Road. Look at MA9, it's down there. So I'm just coming out from Eastern Homes, Uguamunike. So where we have Eastern Homes, we have Max Assets, we have a number of estates there. We have P1 Pearl. Pearl View, we have Flourish City, we have a number of estates there. This is MA9 Aluminium Company. Okay, so we're heading to town. I'm heading back to the office at Independence Layout. I thought to just bring you along this Monday morning and bless you with some awesomeness of Enugu. Look at MA9. Who remembers MA9 if you're not in Enugu? So the airports they've expanded the airport, and you can see the fence there. Okay, you can see the fence to my right. That's the airport fence. They expanded the airport and they cleared out Oyemene. If you know Oyemene, that marketplace there, yes, they cleared it out because of they extended the runway, the airport runway. They extended it down to that side, so it's safe to have those things out of the way on the runway. Oh, by the way, my name is Jeff Anozie. If we're just meeting for the first time, and I like to bring you this type of videos, not just real estate videos or property videos. I like to bring you up to speed with the happenings within my city and all the other cities that we are represented. That is First Real Estate company, right? So the goal of our company is to bring you safe and profitable real estate deals within Nigeria. I am based in Enugu State, and I'm in charge of all our properties within the southeast: Enugu, Anambra, Awka, Owerri. I'll be in Owerri next week. Let me know what part of Owerri you would like to see, right? Awesome, amazing. So this is the road to Oye, just behind the airport, Oyemene. Okay, that leads to Kodambaka, leads to Caritas University, leads to that access. All right, I'm just coming out from one of our estates and on inspection, and I'm just trying to bring you along so you get to see what a Monday morning around this axis looks like. As much as a lot of people are rushing to work and all of that, Enugu still has a very, very beautiful road network, and so we don't usually have a lot of traffic up until now, right? Yes, sometimes we do within the town because population has increased. However, it's not that bad, like some cities or some states that don't have very good road network. Okay, so if you're just meeting me on this channel or on YouTube or wherever you're watching from, please hit the subscribe button, like this video, all right, share it with your friends that would like to see what Enugu and environs look like in 2021. That is the airport down there. This is the Enugu International Airport. This is the international wing there, that building down there. Okay, whilst we head to town. Okay, this is the place opposite the airport. Yeah, so this is Airport Road. We're heading towards Independence Layout. From there we'll go to New Haven. Okay, so if you're in Enugu and you'd like us to connect, you can call me on 080967376668. Let us connect, or call me on 006-331-2201. Let us connect. If you need a piece of property within the southeast, right, Enugu, Owerri, Awka, Abakaliki, we have a team of realtors that can help you access or go for site inspections, and I can as well give you a list of stuff we have within that area. So you can just call me up on 080967376668. Let us discuss. All right, I'm Jeff Anozie. I'm your favorite realtor. and this is my road trip. Peace Mass has a factory here. Look at that, Peace Factory. Okay, somewhere there where they produce their lubrications. He has a lube, car oil, car lubrication, a big petroleum products. He has all those things, and then he also has a car assembly plant within Enugu now. Yes, car assembly plant. You heard that right? You know, so you can see Enugu is gradually turning to a very hot industrial environment, a business hub. You know, we're coming down the flyover. I think they call this flyover IBB flyover. I think it was during IBB's time they commissioned it. If you know why they call it IBB flyover, please let us know in the comments if you are aware why it's called IBB flyover. Okay, so do let me know environment you would like to see within Enugu or where you recognize. This is Abakaliki Road. This is Abakaliki Road because straight behind me under the flyover is the road that leads to Abakaliki. Just straight. It's a very clean straight road down to Abakaliki. Okay, just under the flyover. Yeah. So these are some innocent vehicles, some beautiful innocent vehicles. Innocent has a showroom here. Yeah. By the way, Innocent's factory too is along this road on the opposite direction from where we are driving towards. Okay. All right. So let me know if you like Enugu. If you like our city of Enugu. If you like to have a property in Enugu, let me know. Let me know. You can write in the comments or simply just send a WhatsApp message on 080967376668. Let us discuss your budget. Let's discuss your budget, what you have to offer, and then we can take it up from there. Let's go to New Haven first. Let's go to New Haven first before going to Independence Layout, because I need to pick up a document for my client. One of my clients, a document at New Haven, our New Haven office, before heading to Independence Layout. So I'm taking right here to connect New Haven from under the bridge. So this area is called New Haven Extension by the right. Yeah, for those that don't know New Haven Extension, that's right. This is where the Dominion City headquarters is, down there. Around here, a plot of land can go for between 15 to 30 million naira, depending on, number one, the exact position of the land, and then number two, the kind of document the land carries. For C of O lands, C of O lands cost a little more. Okay, but this area, this environment, a lot of people in diaspora buy to build for rent, because it's a very fantastic place to build for rent. Okay, so rents here can go between 600,000 to $1 million, depending on how the house is built, number one. Number two, depending on the location too. The location, like exact location where the house is. There's a little tunnel here. Above it is Abakaliki Road. Then under helps me get to New Haven. Okay. So one of the fantastic things, you can see all these yellow buses, right? One of the beautiful things about Enugu is the means of transportation. Transportation in Enugu is super fantastic. You can literally move from one end of town to another and not get stranded. Everywhere is interconnected. Transportation is cheap, quite very cheap. So compared to most other states I've been to, and trust me, I've traveled a lot. This is Ugo Okonkwo. That is the new bus stops that the governor built. You can see, call it stand something, right? So cost of transportation within Enugu is quite very, very affordable and available too. Okay, availability, and you can literally from one end to another in Enugu comfortably, compared to other eastern states or other states that I've been to. Cost of food too is relatively very affordable. All right, here in Enugu. So this is New Haven. This is Upper Chime. We're heading towards Lower Chime. New Haven. We're going to do the entire New Haven. So you can just see. I hope to cruise a little so that you can see clearly. And let me know if you recognize anywhere here in New Haven. This is New Haven. This is more. New Haven is quite a mix of residential and commercial. There are a lot of hotels here in New Haven. A lot of people live here. Cost of rent as at this month of as at this 2021 around New Haven, cost of rentage say goes from between 300 to 1 million, depending on I'm talking about a typical 3-bedroom flat. So it goes from between 300,000 naira per annum to 1 million naira, depending on the nature of the house. If they are old houses, of course the prices are a little less. If they are new houses, of course the prices are a little more because they're actually in demand. New Haven is one of the on-demand places within Enugu. People like to live around here. Okay, so and again, it's a mix of both commercial and residential. You can see a lot of shops, on the right and on the left. There's a lot of shops. Okay, let me know if you're enjoying this video. If you're enjoying it, please hit the like button. Subscribe to my channel if you've not subscribed. If you're a new member, thank you for jumping on this channel. I love you. Thank you for watching. If you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for your support on this channel. I hope you love what you see so far. Let me know if there is something you want to see, if there's a kind of video you like to see, so that I can make that type of video as well for you. Alright, so we're heading down New Haven. We're leaving Upper Chime. We're heading towards Lower Chime. New Haven is just Upper Chime and Lower Chime, Chime Avenue. That's Ntachi there. These Assemblies of God. This is the Assemblies of God in New Haven, one of the biggest Assemblies of God here. So this assembly, they call this place Assemblies bus stop. Okay, we're heading down. So here's called Mr. Biggs bus stop. I sincerely don't even know why they call it Mr. Biggs. Please let me know in the comments if you know. Kindly type in the comments why they call that place Mr. Biggs bus stop. Okay. Again, I'm Jeff Anozie. If you're just meeting me, I'm a realtor. I'm a real estate consultant based here in Enugu State, Nigeria. My goal is to bring you real estate deals within Enugu and Nigeria in general. I work with a company called Fortrail Real Estate Limited. It's a limited liability company registered here in Nigeria. The goal is to bring you real estate deals. In fact, we do anything real estate. We just believe that once you think real estate, you should be able to think Fortrail, because we help you through from your doing your due diligence on the land. We help you carry out all those due diligence thingy. Would help you also make your purchase, investigate the land, investigate the owner, investigate the company that is selling, and then help you do the post-purchase documentation. We show you how to document your property properly so that it remains yours even after buying. I work with a ton of other people, other real estate consultants, and also a property lawyer. Our goal is to make sure that you have your all-round real estate needs are met, with deep satisfaction. Okay. All right. So we're just down at New Haven, Lower Chime, as we are experiencing a little of traffic. Yeah. So like almost every other Monday in this city, there's a little of traffic here. We're just heading to Otiba Junction right now. Yeah, so this building is called number 1 Chime Avenue, and this is the end of New Haven. I'm just going to take this roundabout. This is Otiba Junction. I'm just going to take the roundabout, and that will be the end of this video. There's a Kilimanjaro here. There's a market square here now. As you can see, our Enugu is getting finer and more beautiful. A little bit more populated, as a lot of people are moving down to Enugu for some reason. I mean, it's one of the most desirable places to live in Nigeria, right? All right, so we've come to the end of this show. I hope you enjoyed it. Let me know in the comments if you enjoyed it. What did you enjoy about it? Kindly hit the like button, subscribe, and I'll see you again some other time. Enjoy a good day. Bye for now.